As we prepare for the beginning of the new term, please make sure to do these 5 things in your Big Sky courses. Number 1, upload an updated version of the course syllabus in the overview section. Number 2, create a Module 0 with a course overview, an introduction video, your contact information, and other technical and non-technical course requirements. You may also include the link of the Benilde EdTech website for Big Sky support and tutorials for your students. Number 3, upload your course materials like slide decks, recorded video lectures, external links, and other learning resources that they can access prior to your first synchronous session. If you would like to import course content from your sandbox, make sure to review your content before importing it into your current course. You may choose to import all or selected components, but please import only once. Otherwise, the content will be doubled and you will have to manually delete duplicate items. If you need step-by-step instructions, please visit our Benilde EdTech website. Number 4. In facilitating synchronous class sessions, please follow the guidelines set by the Office of the Vice Chancellor for Academics. Your first synchronous session should be held on the second scheduled meeting of your class. However, 24 to 72 hours prior to the first scheduled meeting of the term, your introduction materials should already be made available and communicated to your students on Big Sky. Also, please schedule your synchronous meetings within your assigned class schedules to avoid conflict with other courses and to let your students know ahead of time. Each session should not exceed an hour and a half, and by no means should you insist on meeting your students online every time following your class schedule. You may, however, offer these times as an opportunity for voluntary student consultations. Number 5. Set a reasonable time frame for the completion of course requirements. We need to be mindful of the challenges our students are experiencing in these trying times, either from other enrolled courses or in their personal circumstances. So please, exercise flexibility and accommodation whenever possible without sacrificing academic rigor. In case a student in your class is facing major challenges in the completion of your online course, kindly consult with your program chairperson, associate dean, or school dean for other delivery options. If you have questions related to the practice of online learning and teaching, you may refer to the Instructor's Guide to Online Learning. For other concerns, please contact your Big Sky support team. We welcome you to Virtual Benilde, and we hope that you'll have a wonderful and meaningful term of teaching.